Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WH-1000XM5 noise cancelling headphones and you need to do a hard reset on them. If you're having issues with them not connecting, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, a lot of issues like that, just a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues, and it's very easy to do. To do that on these headphones, all we need to do is make sure they're not connected to anything, make sure they're not on, they're not plugged in or anything like that, and we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the power button and the noise canceling button simultaneously. Press and hold them simultaneously, and we're going to need to do this for like 5 to 10 seconds. And what will happen is we're going to wait until this indicator light will start to blink blue, and then it will stop blinking and the headphones will be off again. Once we've done that, the reset process will be complete. Then we can hit the power button, turn the headphones back on, and because we've done the reset, they will need to be repaired with any device that you want to use them on.